Hello friends, welcome to our channel Be a Believer. Today we are going to talk about 5 things highly successful people do before bedtime. Success is not that easy to get. For being successful, a person have to put their blood and sweat to get the goal and become a successful person. Success demands a proper routine, discipline, dedication, sheer hard work, efforts and good habits. Here is the list of few highly successful people who used to follow this thing before going to bed, which is the secret of their success. First one is Bill Gates. Bill Gates read for an hour over different topics. As we all know, the more we read, we become more knowledgeable and intelligent, which is going to help us definitely at some point of our life. Knowledge of everything makes a person aware and wise. It is must for all of us to keep ourselves updated in everything. Knowledge is a power which makes you unique from others. So this is one of the secret of Bill Gates which we all must try to inculcate in our daily routine to become a successful person in our life. Second one, Ariana Huffington. Ariana Huffington used to unplug from electronic to block out distractions. This is one of the best habits we all must inculcate within ourselves. Cell phone, television, laptops are not good for our eyes and it proves to be a biggest distraction. It harms our eyes badly. Few of the people have habit of spending late nights on cell phone using social media or phone calls. By doing this, you are delaying your sleep and by this your health gets affected. So it is an important thing to learn from Ariana Huffington to stay healthy and keep progressing in life. Third one is Kenneth Chenault. Kenneth Chenault planned out the things which he wants to do next day. This is a very good habit to plan the things to be carried on the next day. This will save your time and you already get the list which you have to carry on the next day. You don't have to be worried and confused the next day about the things which you want to do. This thing makes a person highly successful and we all must try to inculcate this habit in our daily life. Fourth one is Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey used to meditate to reduce stress before going to bed at night. We are living in a stressful era where workload and pressure makes us feel stressed and tired. Sometimes stress makes a person defocused and less productive in their work, which is an obstacle in the path of success. So we all must learn these things from Oprah to burst out all the stress and become relaxed. Meditation is one of the best things which makes us relaxed, stress free and increase our concentration power and memory. This thing makes a person highly successful like Oprah Winfrey. Last one is Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs used to reflect on what is done in the daytime. He used to jot down the things which he had completed on that particular day. This thing helps him to get the idea about what has been done and what has been left to do so that the next day he can complete that particular task first. We all must inculcate this habit in order to be a highly successful person. So, highly successful person follow these things religiously and this is the reason and secret of their success. So, we all must take inspiration from them and try to inculcate these things in our life. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do share it with all your friends and family members. For more such kind of informative videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.